Now this whole house, what you see here, is primarily designed in a kind of a fashion which has a big overhangs, cantilevers, as well as the floating bodies on the ground. And it demanded a kind of a medium which can generate this kind of architecture in its reality, what you see on the drawings and models. We found, I think, concrete and steel combination, what you generally considered as a conventional method, found is the most suitable medium to convert these forms into reality.
The brief was quite clear that they would like to have an architecture which is prominently expressing the construction technology and also should respect nature. But the primary question from the client was that these buildings, the way it is located, they knew that the neighboring plots are going to have a high-rise towers. So the main question was, how do we create a privacy? See, if you see the form, which is a very strong characteristics of the design, and that has come by creating those tubular forms wherein it focuses only on the east and west side with a large opening. North and south side, we knew that the structures are going to rise, so we created a plain facades while giving only small punctures in order to see that those sides are never going to be exposed. See, the architectural design, which is basically formulated by the tubular structures, are further enhanced by segregating space between two, which acts as a corridor. And the corridor is also well supported by the skylight running on top of it, so that the whole corridor actually acts as a kind of a flute, which changes these visual characteristics of a light because of the changing movement of a sun throughout the day. All the three tubes, which are composed with each other, are also framed in a way that the central tube becomes large and it connects the space through and through. Look at the balconies which are overlooking to the garden, are cantilevered, having a glass railing which allows the people to come out and actually enjoy being one with the garden, while the balconies also help to create verandas which create shadows over the internal rooms. One interesting element we added on a first floor where allows people to overlook to the pull down below is a extended cantilevered disc which acts as a balcony for people to go up and sit and enjoy the views to look inside the house and as well as to look out over the deck of the home. One of the interesting features of the house is a courtyard which is centrally located. Actually, it acts as a hub for all the various activities to connect within the house. For instance, the courtyard provides a light which also has a staircase added on, so that all the circulation movement is linked through this courtyard, where we have also added a garden with the water body, so that the courtyard links both the living room, dining and the entrance hall together.
Concrete, which is like such a bold and a very stark and very powerful element, is used to create the architecture of the building. And taking care of the all technical aspect, I think concrete has that fluidity which can mold into that shapes and straps and sunks, and still you get the same architecture what you envisage. Concrete was the best suitable option.